Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to see how Nifty and Bank Nifty move today, and also we will try to find out the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session. Nifty opened gap up with 100 points and unable to sustain near the all-time high, and from here it has given a straight fall of almost more than 200 points in a single session. So this will act as major resistance in the coming days, which is 19,860. This level will act as major resistance for Nifty, and as you can see, this is the same level from which last time Nifty took support and it bounced from this level, which is 19,615. So support for Nifty is 19,615 and resistance for Nifty is 19,860, which is more than 200 points, 250 points. So what are the intraday levels for tomorrow's trading session, that is for Friday's trading session? For that, this level 19,700 is the buying level for Nifty for tomorrow, and high probability trade will be this area. Below 19,600 we can short Nifty in the tomorrow's trading session. So what are the levels? Below 19,600, our first target on downside will be 19,550, and the second target on the downside will be 19,480, and on the upside above this level, that is above 19,700, our first target will be 19,780, this area, and the second target will be 19,850, this area. These are the levels for Nifty. Here I am using Bank Nifty 15 minutes chart, and from here it tested this level, and from here it has given a straight fall of more than 800 points. So what are the important levels for tomorrow's trading session? In Bank Nifty also, the high probability trade will be on the downside, that is below this level. Below 45,600 we can short Bank Nifty. For the targets of, the first target will be 45,500 and the second target will be 45,400, and the long level for Bank Nifty will be above this level, this swing high, which is near 45,850. Above 40,850 we can long Bank Nifty for the target of 46,000 is the first target, and the second target will be 46,100. These are the levels for Bank Nifty. For any reason, if Bank Nifty and Nifty opens gap up or gap down tomorrow, these levels will not work. We will update you in our Telegram channel. To join our Telegram channel, please use the link below in the description below. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.